This is Ridgeworth Island, Vizian Avenue. Transfer is available to the N, N, and Q trains.
This is an accessible station.
This is a Potatoburg-bound F Express train. The next stop is Presidential Highway. This is Presidential Highway. Transfer is available to the N and Q trains.
This is an accessible station.
This is a Potatoburg-bound F Express train. The next stop is Georgian Avenue. This is Georgian Avenue. Transfer is available to the N, Q, and R trains. This is a Potatoburg-bound F Express train. The next stop is Calgary Street. This is Calgary Street. Transfer is available to the B, J, M, N, Q, R, and Z trains. This is a Potatoburg-bound F train. The next stop is Fordham Avenue. This is Fordham Avenue. Transfer is available to the 3 and 9 trains. This is a Potatoburg-bound F train. The next stop is Herald Square, Grace Street. This is Herald Square, Grace Street. Transfer is available to the 7, B, D, E, K, M, and shuttle to Grand Junction.
This is an accessible station.
This is a Cadland-bound F train. The next stop is Booth Street. This is Booth Street. Transfer is available to the B, D, K, L, and M trains.
This is an accessible station.
This is a Cadland-bound F train. The next stop is Fairview Avenue. This is Fairview Avenue. Transfer is available to the B, D, E, K, and M trains. This is a Cadland-bound F Express train. The next stop is 47th Street, LaGuardia Airport. This is 47th Street, LaGuardia Airport. Transfer is available to the A, B, C, D, E, K, and M trains. Transfer to the K91 and L200 buses to Idlewild Airport. Connection is available to the air train to LaGuardia Airport. This is a Cadland-bound F Express train. The next stop is 57th Street. This is 57th Street. Transfer is available to the B, D, E, K, and M trains.
This is an accessible station.
This is a Cadland-bound F train via the E line. The next stop is 67th Street. This is a 77th Street World Trade Center bound F train via the E line. The next and last stop is 77th Street World Trade Center. This is 77th Street World Trade Center. Transfer is available to the E and K trains. Connection is available to H&P Transit.
This is the last stop on this train. Everyone please leave the train. Thank you for riding with PTA, Potato City Subway.